So our today's question is to give the structure of monomer of the following polymers. First is Teflon, second is gyptyl, and third is nylon 6. Or the other question for this one is to write the names of monomers of the following polymers. We have NH2, CH2, 6, NH2. Then we have COH, CH2, 4, COH, CH2 double bond CH, then again a CH double bond CH2, and then we have CH2 CCl, CH and CH2. So here the monomer used for Teflon is CF2 double bond CF2. For gyptyl we use two types of monomers. One is ethylene glycol, which is CH2 OH CH2 OH, like in a single bond, and the other one is a benzene with two COOH on the adjacent, on the O and P of a benzene. For nylon 6 we have caprolactam. The shape of caprolactam is something like this. So here we have an H and here we have a ketone and here we have a H. All the other parts have a CH2. That's a caprolactam. Coming to the next question, so NH2, CH2, 6 and NH2 is hexamethylene diamine. Diamine because it has two NH2s and hexamethylene because it has 6 of the methylene groups. Next one, COOH, CH24, COH, is its common name is adipic acid. Third one is CH2, CH, CH2. It's 1,3 butadiene because on the first part and the third part we are having a double bond. So it becomes diene. Then the common name of this one is styrolene. And the last one we have CH2CCl, CH2CH2. So that means that on 1,3 butadiene, on the second we have got a chloro. So we do it as 2-chloro 1,3 butadiene.